Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little cozy for a jar. And this is an upcycled jar from my kitchen. I think it held either jam or pickles, or I think it had peppers in this case. So what we're going to use is that I used a size F hook. And I got some little bonbon yarn I got for a gift from Christmas, so I'm going to use that in this video. But you can use whatever yarn or hook size that you needed to make this base. So without further ado, let's get started. To start out, I'm going to make a base that's going to fit bottom of my jar that I am using. I'm going to make a magic ring and make 6 single crochets into my magic ring. I got 6. I'm going to pull my ring shut. Alright, I'm going to work in continuous rounds for this base. So I'm going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch. I'm going to mark the beginning of my round so I know where to start. Okay, so I'm back at the beginning. We're going to do another increase. We're going to do 2 in the first one. Mark the beginning one. Crochet 1. I'll do 1 single crochet in the next one. See, I'm also hiding my tail, so I don't have to sew that in later. We're going to do 2 and 1. Okay, you're back beginning. So we're going to do another increase. So what we're going to do is increase 6 each row. So we're going to do 2. Then do 2 in the next one. So I'm going to keep increasing 6 in this matter until it measures what I have at the base. So I will let you know when I reach that point. Alright, I got my base that's at a desirable size. That's going to fit the bottom of my jar. So I'm going to join probably one before my last stitch to kind of go over it. So we're going to join with a single crochet. Make sure I use the actual yarn, not the tail. Start with a single crochet in this one and in the next 2. to chain 3, then we're going to skip 3 and then do a single crochet in the next 3. Chain 3, skip 3, and then do 3 single crochets, and we're going to repeat this around and join and end with chain 3, skip 3, and join with our first single crochet. Okay, I've joined with the slip stitch with our first one. I am going to slip stitch into the second single crochet of our group here. And then in the space, chain 3 space, we are going to make 5 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to skip the first single crochet and double crochet in the second one. Skip that one and do 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. Okay, and we skip 1, put a single crochet in the second one, and then skip this next one, skip that single crochet, and we're going to repeat that around. We're going to do 5 again double crochets in the chain 3 space. We're going to repeat this around, and I will meet up with you at the end of the round. Okay, I have finished a row, and I slipped with my first single crochet from the previous round, and we're going to slip stitch in the next 2. Then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do a single crochet in that same stitch. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 2. Chain 3. Chain 3, we're going to skip this stitch, we're going to skip this, the next 3 stitches, which would be the last double crochet from that shell, the single crochet, and I'll skip a double crochet and single crochet in the next 3. We will chain 3, again we're going to skip 3, which is a double, a single and a double, and do a single crochet in the next 3. Chain 3, skip the next 3 stitches, and we're going to repeat this around. So we're going to skip a double, a single, and double, and a single crochet in the next 3. So I'm going to finish up my round, and I'll get back with you when I'm at the end of the row. Alright, I'm at the end of the row. I chain 3, and I'm going to join my first single crochet, and slip stitch into the next one. Chain 1, single crochet, the same stitch, and we're going to repeat what we've done before. We're going to do 5 double crochets in our chain 3 space, and then skip 1 single crochet and do a single crochet in the next one, skip that single crochet and do 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. We're going to repeat that around, and I will join you with you at the end of the row. Okay, I finished up my round, and I'm going to join of the row, and it's going to be this 2 row reap. We're going to repeat what we done before. We're going to slip stitch in the next 2, chain 1, single crochet in that single crochet in that same stitch and in the next 2, chain 3, skip 3 stitches, which is this double crochet, the single and the double, and in the next 3 we're going to do a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 3, and we're going to repeat this around, and I will meet up with you when I'm done with this row. Okay, I got my final chain 3, and I'm going to join that, and I think at this point you know what to do next. Now we're going to slip stitch in this middle one, the second one, chain 1, single crochet in that same stitch, 5 double crochets in the chain 3 space. I'm going to change colors after this round so I can show you how I'm going to do that. Alright, I am about ready to change colors, and I just finished this off with the color I was just using. Just going to show you so far how it's fitting on the jar here. So you can probably just finish off with the chain 5 row. You get your cozy as tall as you want it and just end it there, but right now I'm going to go and change colors. Alright, I am just going to find the second double crochet of our chain 5 and put in a single crochet and a single crochet in the next 2. And like before, we're going to chain 3, skip 3, and do the next 3 single crochets. Okay, I'm going to do another repeat of 3 rows in this color, and then I'm going to go on to my next color, and I'll show you how this looks like when it's done. Okay, we have finished it up, and it's going to slip on onto my jar. And there you have it. If you like this tutorial, please like. If you want to see more content, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for here this long for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.